Hello friends, welcome to this second video of Generative AI Leader Certification exam. In this video we will cover module 2 of the exam that says Google Cloud's Generative AI offerings. This module covers 35% questions of the exam. Remember, this is a revisional notes in this video that you can go through before sitting for the exam. So let's start the topic. So let's see Google's AI journey. Like in 2008, Google launched Google Cloud, which is enterprise grade infrastructure. And in 2016, Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, decides to shift the company strategy from mobile first to AI first transformation. And since 2016, like in Google search, translate, voice, we have Google AI already integrated. Google also launched TensorFlow, which is a powerful open source machine learning framework, which is a standard for building AI models. So this software development kit is launched by Google. Google also provide TPUs, which are tensor processing units, a specialized hardware that is used to train the AI models faster. Google also provide open source offerings where it says it not lock you in a single vendor solution. It gives you flexibility and easy integration as per your choice. Google puts security and ethics at the forefront as always. Gemini is a Google app that acts as your co-pilot. Gemini is natively integrated across the Google Cloud ecosystem. The infinite context window of Gemini remembers everything from first prompt to current prompt. And also it accepts large documents in prompts. Gemini is there in Google Workspace. That means in Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Drive, you have Gemini as your co-pilot. As well as in Google Cloud solutions, you can find Gemini as your co-pilot. In MySQL, like writing a query, you will find Gemini that will help you writing the query. In BigQuery, Looker, Cloud Console, PubSub, all Google Cloud products have Gemini integration. Notebook LM is Google's product where it is your own personal AI assistant or research assistant that helps in summarizing document, creating quiz, podcast. All this you can do in Notebook LM. Notebook LM is grounded to documents that you provide instead of searching data from the net. So that means it is a hyper-focused partner that works on all the sources that are uploaded by you. And it will transform those sources into a podcast, a quiz, a summarized document. Whatever you want, you can do from those sources. Say for example, if I have an ebook and I want to create notes from that ebook, I just upload that PDF file in Notebook LM and give a prompt to prepare the notes, exam ready notes for this PDF, and Notebook LM can do this for me. Even this entire video, the presentation that I am using, that I created using the help of Notebook LM. Next topic is Gemini Nano, which is AI on the edge. In old systems, we have cloud AI or solutions hosted on the cloud infra. So when I'm using any cloud AI solution, there must be a network lag. But in new way, AI is not on the cloud. AI is actually on your device itself, running locally. So this gives me advantage of low latency, enhanced privacy because data remains on the device itself, and also offline access because AI model is on the device itself. Examples of this are like Pixel mobile apps. There are many mobile apps in Pixel phone which are using Gemini Nano, and also in Android operating system we are using AI on the edge. A few examples can be like self-driving cars that must process sensor data in millisecond. So here I will use Gemini Nano or AI on the edge, or edge AI you can say. Surgical devices that analyze patient vitals in real time during surgery. Here also I will use edge AI because I cannot use cloud-based solutions which can have latency. So how a big, vast foundational model be shrink to a low hardware edge devices? This is done by using model compression and light runtime, through which we can compress and convert the models into optimized format so that they can work on edge hardware. If there is a scenario where I have a chat bot that serves millions of users, so here what is the recommendation, cloud AI or edge AI? Since it is serving millions of users, that means we need a solution that is robust and scalable. So here cloud AI is the answer. Whereas in scenarios where I want privacy, okay, and I want offline access, there I will definitely go for edge AI, provided uh, it it is having limited amount of users and not demanding large scale infra. Next is Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is your AI workbench. Prototype in minutes, integrate in seconds. That means in old traditional way, we generally set up the SDK locally and then do integrating it in our app and using those features. Whereas in AI Studio, it says it's a web-based solution that requires no local setup. One-click code export can be possible in Google AI Studio for rapid prototyping. So here in Google AI Studio, I will access the foundational models, customize them, tune them by setting the temperature, top your safety settings, and like whatever I perform in Google AI Studio, I can generate the code of it that I can integrate in my Python or JavaScript or any application that I am developing. And I can easily integrate Gemini API in my application using API management. I will just generate the Gemini API key and use it, and then call the Gemini APIs to to make my application work using Gemini APIs. So AI powered application I can easily make in Google AI Studio. Vertex AI is also a unified platform to build, deploy, and scale enterprise ready AI apps from traditional ML to generative AI. It is enterprise ready. Whereas Google AI Studio is for beginners or learners, Vertex AI is for making enterprise solutions. In Vertex AI, we have Model Garden where we have hundreds of existing AI models, as well as we can create our own model in Model Garden using Model Builder. Vertex AI Studio is a tool, a collaborative environment to adapt foundational models to your specific business need using your own data. That means if I want to customize an existing AI model, I will use Vertex AI Studio to do this. Vertex AI Agent Builder is a specialized tool to build and deploy complex multi-step AI agents. Vertex AI Auto ML is a low-code solution where we just provide the dataset and Vertex AI train the model using that dataset and prepare a model for us. Google also gives Vertex AI Search, which is a single intelligent entry point to all your company's data, a managed platform to build Google quality search experience over your own private data. It acts as an intelligent agent, not just a keyword matcher. It retrieves and recommends information from diverse data stores based on the user intent and context. It utilizes RAG approach to ground LLM response. This ensures answers are based on your first party data, that is your internal company data, curated third party data, which is trusted external research, then Google Knowledge Graph. Combining them, it answers on user's query. Instead of just providing a list of links, it generates concise conversational summaries that directly answer the user query. Like in Google search, earlier we used to see list of links whenever we search a keyword in Google, but now we get a concise conversational summary that directly answers user query. And Vertex AI offers seamless integration into existing application and websites via REST APIs and client SDKs. So nowadays Vertex AI is very trendy. Vertex AI search is also very trendy. So if I have my own company data, I can use Vertex AI search to answer user query on my company data or my knowledge base. There are enterprise grade MLOps tools that Google offers, like Feature Store, which is a centralized repository to store, share, and reuse ML features across different projects. Then there comes Model Registry, which is for managing model versioning and organizing them. Then there comes Vertex AI Pipelines, which are workflow orchestration tool to automate complex ML workflows. Then there comes Model Evaluation, which helps evaluate and compare different models based upon performance and other factors. It also offers Prompt Gallery, which is a list of pre-built prompts that I can use in my model for my queries. Now we will see the comparison between Google AI Studio and Vertex AI Studio. So Google AI Studio primary goal is rapid prototyping and experimentation, whereas Vertex AI Studio primary goal is enterprise grade development and scaling. Google AI Studio's target audience is beginners, individual developers, and learners, whereas Vertex AI Studio target audience is data scientists, ML engineers, and enterprises. Google AI Studio provide basic Google Cloud privacy terms, whereas Vertex AI Studio provides IAM control, VPC service control, etc. to enhance security. In Google AI Studio, we generally use Gemini family models, whereas in Vertex AI Studio, we have Model Garden, where we have Gemini plus 100 of third-party models plus Google partners AI models, open source models that we can easily integrate with other tools and grounding for better accuracy. Google AI Studio is free tier for testing, whereas Vertex AI Studio is pay as you go based on enterprise resource usage. Google AI Studio best fit where I have an idea and want to test a prompt in 5 minutes, whereas Vertex AI Studio is best fit where I am building a production ready app that needs to serve millions. Google also offer AI agents. Let's see what AI agents are. AI agents is a system designed to observe, reason, decide, act to achieve a specific goal. That means they are goal oriented. AI models provide answer, whereas agents get things done. Model generates text, code, or images based on a prompt, whereas AI agent use these models as a brain, interact with tools, and perform goal-oriented tasks. So model is a brain, then agent is a body. While a standard AI model provides information, an AI agent uses that information to execute tasks in real world. So key characteristics of AI agents are that AI agents are goal-driven, goal-oriented. They are autonomous actions. Beyond just drafting a reply, an agent can trigger external workflows such as sending mail, scheduling meetings, or updating a database. They are adaptive reasoning. Agents can evaluate their own progress, change their plan if they encounter an error or a new piece of information. They are goal-driven assistants. Example of AI agents can be like a security agent which monitors systems in real time to detect, block, and report security threats autonomously. Employee agents which automate routine internal tasks like expense approval, onboarding workflows to boost operational productivity. Creative agents which act as a collaborators that don't just write content, they also can research, trend, generate design, publish posts. So agents are specializing into different roles like digital employees. So agents are our digital employees. There are two types of agent. One is conversational agent and one is workflow agent. Conversational agents are communicators, focuses on human to machine interaction, whereas workflow agents are automators, focus on system to system orchestration. In conversation agents, focus is on understanding natural language intent and providing intelligent response. Real world example can be in healthcare app can be if a user asks, can I book an appointment with the doctor tomorrow? Agent will reply in this way that first it is understanding the intent that is booking, then entity which is doctor and tomorrow. It then checks the doctor real-time availability. If free, it confirms the slot. If busy, it suggests alternative. So basically it is conversation agent triggers from user query and doing a set of work uh, which like here the agent's goal is to book the appointment, so it is doing it autonomously. So conversational agents are of three types. First is deterministic or traditional agent. That means they are built with predefined fixed paths and actions like press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, uh, these kind of deterministic agents. Then there can be generative agents as well, which are using LLMs and responding using the AI models. And then there are hybrid agents that are combination of deterministic and generative agents. Now, if we talk about workflow agent, these agents focus on executing a predefined series of complex multi-step business process like HR onboarding a new employee, performing series of tasks. So here the trigger is whenever a new employee joins the organization, then this HR onboarding agent gets activated. It like do all the list of tasks that we usually do for onboarding a new employee, like giving him access to the floor, assigning him the laptop, and giving him what we say company introduction and all. Similarly, a security log parsing agent is also an example of workflow agent, which actually parsing all the security logs and doing it autonomously. So if we need to see the difference between a model, a agent, and an application, so model is the brain, it is the core intelligence that generates content. Agent, so model goal is to generate content. Agent goal is to perform some goal, to achieve some goal. So to achieving that goal, what model do? It uses a reasoning loop, it uses the tools, it uses the brain, that is AI model. And application is the user interface. It can be a chatbot, it can be a mobile app, it can be a web app that user uses to make a query, and in the background it activates one or more agents which are calling models and accordingly giving the response. So model is to generate content, agent is to achieve some goal, and application is the user interface which is activating the agents. So how do an agent works? So agent have four things. First is reasoning loop. It is a iterative process where the agent observes, interprets, reasons, acts, and often use prompt engineering like chain of thought and react. Then agent have persona, where it defines agent roles, personality, communication style. Then agent have tools. There are four kind of tools that agent have. One is extension, which is connecting the agent to external services by calling translate API or other APIs. Then functions, defining specific action or task. Then data source, providing access to the information. And plugins, like adding a new skill and integration. Example, a calendar plugin for scheduling the meeting that agent might use. So, and the model also is part of agent workflow, where it which empowers agent to generate response and take action. So these are the four key components of agent that we must always remember: reasoning loop, persona, tools, and AI model. So using these four things, agent works. A multi-agent system. What is multi-agent system? A system where a complex task is divided among specialized agents who collaborate like a human team. In multi-agent system, the workload is divided among multiple specialized agents. Each agent has its own specific goal, set of tools, and persona. They collaborate, communicate to complete a complex objective. Like if there is a requirement to if there is a requirement is of building an application, so we can have four agent. One is product manager agent, which can define the app features. Then there comes developer agent, which will do the code. Then there comes security or QA agent that will do the testing and found vulnerabilities. Then there come technical writer agent that can do the documentation of the software. So for building a software, we can divide this complex task into four or more agents, and this way we can achieve this goal. Google also provide customer engagement suite, which is a comprehensive toolkit with Google AI to modernize how companies interact with their customers. Like traditional solutions for interacting with the customers are often inefficient, costly, and frustrating for the customers. So this new modern way we have is customer engagement suite, which is omni-channel by design, cloud native, integrates with the existing CRMs easily, and built on top of Google Contact Center as a service. Its core components are conversational agents, agent assist, and conversational insights. Conversational agents go beyond basic chat box. They provide natural human-like interaction across voice or chat, resolving complex customer issues autonomously and reducing customer wait times. So they are basically used in as a chat bot that interact with the customer and solve customer issues by the knowledge that these agent have. And if agent not able to solve any customer issue, it just assign that issue to the relevant team. Then there comes agent assist. It is a co-pilot for these uh, live human agents. It provides real-time context-aware support by suggesting responses, surfacing relevant knowledge base articles, and performing live translation of summaries. It boosts live agent efficiency by enabling them with required information. So agent assist is an assistant. Like conversational agent is doing customer interaction, and agent assist is helping conversational agent to be more effective, more efficient, and providing whatever conversational agent needs, whatever information conversational agent needs, agent assist provide those information by searching the knowledge base. And conversational insights are gaining insight in all customer interactions, detecting customer emotions, sentiments, common complaints, feature requests. So basically when we have a call with the customer, then conversational insight will help us knowing whether the customer is happy with the response, whether customer is complaining for some kind of bug, and whatever insight we want from customer interaction, that we can get using conversational insight component of customer engagement suite. Then this is last topic, which is extension APIs. So as we know, agents uses reasoning loop, tools and models and persona. So in tools we have extension APIs where agents interact with the external sources. So these are a few built-in extension APIs in Google's that Google provide, like speech to text API, which is used in transcripts, audio and video content. Text to speech API used in storytelling or voice based user interface. Translation API that is used in translating text, documents, audios and videos. Document translation API. This not only translates the formatted data, it also keeps the original formatting and layout. So this is helpful where we want to preserve the layout and formatting. So we will use document translation API. Document AI API is used where I want summaries from the documents or capture something from the document itself. There I will use document AI API. Cloud Vision API I will use when say I uploaded an image and ask questions from that image, like what objects are there present in the image or what text is written in the image. So for that kind of thing I will use Cloud Vision API. Cloud Video Intelligence API we will use for analyzing the video and extracting meaningful information. Natural language API we will use to derive insights from the text, like to understand the sentiments, understand more info from the input text. So these are the Google offerings that we saw in this video. I hope this video is helpful. Please do watch my third video of this series, which is covering module 3 of this exam. Total modules, we have 4 modules in this exam. So next video will cover the third part of the exam. So thank you for watching. Wish you all the best for the exam. See you in the next video.